Good day. I'm here with Maya, and she's going to share a little bit about her extraordinary story, which is very inspirational. You were just embarking upon telling me about your grandmother.
Hi everyone, my name is Maya, and thank you so much, Glenn, for that video and interview. Yes, if we go back to my childhood story with my grandma, since I remember myself, age 4, 5, 6, I was always going with my grandma to the forest, and we was gathering a lot of plants and herbs and roots, and then my grandma would mix them and apply to people's skin. And since my childhood, I saw complete skin transformation where they would go to different doctors and no one could help them, and then they would come to my grandma, and within a month their skin would change dramatically, like acne, dermatitis, any skin problems would be gone, and people would be having beautiful glowing skin. And then my grandma left me her notebook with recipes, and it's all natural, as nature created recipes. And when COVID came and my spa was closed for 6 months, I said that's a perfect time for me to finally make my dream come true and make this skincare line a reality. So it's kind of like when life give me a lemon, I make a lemonade.
Yeah.
It will give you spa results from the comfort of your own home within 21 days without even a esthetician. There is a QR code, you just scan it and you have my lessons, videos that I created, and it's step-by-step guided instructions. But this kit designed in 3 main groups, so it's products to use every day, and then 1 mini facial that you use every 7 days, and then there is also deep pore cleansing facial that needs to do in the very beginning before we using all these products, and this facial help to deep clean pores and rejuvenate and restructure the skin.
Wow. How many herbs are you working with?
Right now I work with over 100,
Oh
but in a notebook
God.
it's much more.
Oh my God. So that's extraordinary. And where can people find you?
They can find me online, Google, Yelp, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, Reddit, Quora.
What's the website?
Our website is kiwi-spa.com.
That's K-I-W-I.
Yeah, kiwi like a kiwi fruit.
Okay.
kiwi-spa.com.
Oh, okay. And can they basically order online?
Yes, there is a page, like shop page, and there
Okay.
is all our products and another separate page for a kit.
And if they want to come in for the facial here, they do that online too?
Yes, book online. We work by appointment only, but we are location in Pacific Beach, and we can have couples and groups of people. It's not just individuals. It
Yeah.
can be many people at the same time.
Well, it's such an honor to meet you and to learn about this. It's very exciting. What I'm most excited about is your grandma and the history, and that this is original. And I just want to acknowledge you for the difference that you're making. And
Thank you so much, Glenn.
Yeah.
I just want to say that all this skincare made locally in San Diego, it's all natural, vegan, cruelty-free, and it has medical grade of molecule, and it made with a lot of love from highest quality ingredients from local farms.
oh my God. Well, may you have continued success